In this Canva tutorial, we're going to create a really cool city in a cup photo effect. I'll walk you through each step to help you design something unique and creative. Let's dive right in. All right, first let's add our cup photo. Go to the elements, search for coffee, then open Photos. From here, choose the cup image that you like. I'm using this one as an example. Once you add it to the canvas, decrease its size a little and align it to the center. Now, to place a city inside the cup, we need to add a frame. So head back to Elements, search for Circle Frame, and add it onto your design. Resize the frame so it fits nicely at the top of the cup. Next, let's add a city photo. Again, go to Elements, search for City Skyline, open Photos, and pick any city photo you like. I'll choose this one. Drag it to the side for now. First, duplicate this image. Add one copy inside the circle frame, then increase its size and position. Now for the second copy, add it to a new page. Remove its background so we only have the part of the city we need. To clean it up further, click Edit, open Magic Eraser, reduce the preview size to make it easier to work with, and brush over the unwanted parts to erase them. Once done, crop any extra space around it, copy this cleaned up image, and paste it onto above page. Place it above the circle frame, reduce its opacity, and align it perfectly with the image inside the frame. When everything looks good, bring the opacity back to normal and remove the bottom part so it blends in naturally. To make the design look more realistic, let's add a shadow for depth. Go to Elements, search for Shadow, open Graphics, and scroll down until you find one that works well. I'm using this one. Rotate it, resize it, and place it just beneath the cup to add some depth. Now it's starting to look really good. Now let's add a background. Go back to Elements, search for Background, open Photos. Let's try this one first. Right-click and set it as your background. It's not good. Let's try something different. Search for a sky background. Let's try this one. I think this one looks great. To add more interest, let's put in some clouds. Search for Clouds. Add one to your design. Set its position and set it behind the cup. Now duplicate it to fill out other parts of the sky. You can also mix in different cloud graphics if needed for variety. Finally, let's add some birds to give life to the scene. Search for birds flying. Add this image. Remove its background and position it behind the city to create a sense of distance. Lastly, let's add a sun. Search for sun. Make it smaller and set it here. And that's it. You've just created a creative and eye-catching city in a cup photo manipulation in Canva. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to learn more fun Canva tricks, make sure to check out the videos I've added to the end screen. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.